Hey guys, thanks for watching my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. This is Ru. I got another tech unboxing to do today. This will be a really fun one to do. Alright, let's open it first. That's the player. Out of the way. Okay, it's all full. Okay. It's wrapped around. Over and over. Do you see this? SONY Ericsson. Woohoo! This is one of the phones that I own like years ago. Back in those days. I'm not sure if this is really original or not, but it's nothing much to see with the box. So let's see what's inside. So we've got the classic charger. Oh, that's earphones, headphones, classic headphones. And the star of the show. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. This is the SONY Ericsson W810i. You know, this was what, back in 2000? Back in 2000 or so? Okay, let's take a closer look at the phone. It doesn't feel really authentic, so as I expected, I don't think this is an original SONY Ericsson phone, but the replica of it looks pretty spot on. So here we've got the what is this? Oh, the sound. Got the sound button right here. This is the dedicated shutter button for the camera. Got the on and off switch. So this is the memory slot, SD card slot. This looks like a play and pause button for the Walkman. So this is the charging port. Solid. Just tear this out. SONY Ericsson. Wonder if I have juice. Oh, there's juice. Oh, that startup is so slow. Start phone. Alright, I've got the SIM card for the phone. So now we're gonna start it back up again. Okay, again it has that nice vibration. Okay, that's a bit off. Okay, let's start the phone. Oh, yeah, classic SONY Ericsson startup sound. Walkman. Okay, obviously the SIM card is not a working one, but I just want to start up the phone to take a look. So let's go to the menu. Internet service, play now, entertainment. Oh jeez, what's this? Oh, SIM card is working. Oh, I think the SIM card's working. Okay, well, whatever. So, entertainment. Messaging, camera. Okay, the camera is something I want to try it out because I think the shutter button is broken. So let's press the button. Oh no, it works actually. Well, the shutter button seems like it's jammed, but it is working. So I guess we'll leave it at that. And we got radio, which you must of course put in the hands-free kit, the earphones. So we've got settings here, time and date, language, yeah. Bring volume, display. Okay, I'm not gonna dwell so much on the menu of this phone. So what I'm gonna do is, oh, look at that, classic game, classic game. English. What's that sound on? Of course. Warning. Oh my god, this is so classic. Let's try it one more time. I don't remember how you play this. Yeah, I remember I can flap. Let's flap, flap, flap. Oh, just hold down. Oh, install. This reminds me of Flappy Bird. I hope I got an interview with shop. Okay, when I press, oh yeah, it does start the camera. It goes into the members link. Well, anyway, final thoughts. Everything feels very cheap. I don't know. Obviously, this is not an original phone, so it doesn't feel original. But it's pretty close. So that's the unboxing for this SONY Ericsson W810i. Very nostalgic phone. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.